Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, today let us study about 9th standard. Your factorization method is the factorization of polynomials are here. Dear student, the factorization method is very easy. Is that we can study about the factorization method. In your previous class, you learn about the remainder theorem and also remainder method is the today, and also division method. Also you can do that one division of the polynomials. Today only factorization is the factorization method. There are the 4 or 5 method is the method of example is the okay one by one. First one is what in your exercise. The first one type of example of this like is the first one is what determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. Check yourself once again. The given conditions are what? 1 x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, and second one is what? X raised to 4 plus x raised to 3 plus x raised to 2 plus x plus 1. Third one x raised to 4 plus x raised 3x raised to 3 plus 3x square plus x plus 1 is the last. Fourth one is x raised to 3 x minus x square minus of bracket of 2 plus root 2 into x plus root 2 is the okay. Our factor method is therefore in the given question the first statement is what? Determine which of the following polynomials have x plus 1 is a factor of this. These are given. Therefore, the main question is first polynomial, second polynomial, third polynomial, fourth polynomial. There are 4 polynomials are here. Our condition is x plus 1 is a one factor. This x plus 1 is factor is this polynomial factor or otherwise this polynomial factor or check yourself once again. Therefore, this factor is this g of x is not a factor. Check yourself once again. Therefore, solution x plus 1 is equal to 0. Consider x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x equal to minus 1. You can put the x value in the first one. When your answer is 0, therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Check yourself once again. Therefore, condition is what? X raised to 3 plus x square plus x plus 1 is the this is first polynomial. Our x value is minus 1 is the put the minus 1 value minus 1 raised to 3 plus minus 1 raised to 2 plus minus 1 plus 1 is the again simplification. Minus 1 raised to 3 means only in the minus 1 raised to any odd number that is minus sign plus next minus 1 raised to any even number that is plus 1. Again that is minus into plus is minus 1 plus 1. Therefore, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Again minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 0 is there. When your answer is 0, therefore x plus 1 is a factor of x raised to 3 plus x raised to 2 plus x plus 1. This is your first one is over. Again check yourself second one. Second also same as this the. Therefore, second one is consider x plus 1 is a factor of this one. Consider therefore solution is what? Solution is x plus 1 is equal to 0. Consider x is equal to minus 1. Again put the value in this equation. X value is minus 1 is the minus 1. Our condition is what? X raised to 4, x raised to 3, x raised to 2 plus x plus 1 is there. Put the x value minus 1 whole raised to 4 plus minus 1 whole raised to 3 plus minus 1 whole raised to 2 plus minus 1 plus 1 is there. What is next? Minus 1 whole raised to your number is there. This is the answer plus of. This one is what? Minus 1 raised to our number is that is minus. Again your number is this is plus. Again last minus 1 plus 1 is there. Next simplification. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Again plus 1 minus 1 cancel. The answer is only 1 is there. Therefore this remainder is not 0. Therefore x plus 1 is not a factor of x raised to 4 plus x raised to 3 plus x raised to 2 plus x plus 1. Got it? You can write this like, you can check yourself in your homework. This type of examples are continuous. The next type of example in your exercise also here. The remaining two example are in your homework. Next one. Second one. Next second method is use the factor theorem. Determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x. In the first example, p of x is given, g of x is given. In this one, this g of x is factor of p of x. Are not check yourself once again. Therefore, solution is very easy. The same as it is in the first method. G of x is equal to x plus 1. You can consider 0, x plus 1. Therefore, x value is minus 1 again. Again, put the value in the given one. Therefore, p of x equal to what? P of x is equal to what? 2x raised to 3 plus x square minus 2x plus 1 is there, na? You can take x value is what? Minus 1 is there. P of minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 whole raised to 3 plus minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 plus 1 is there. Again you can simplification 2 into minus 4 whole raised to our number is there. This is minus 1. Again this is plus 1. Minus into minus is plus 2 is there. Plus 1 is there. Next therefore plus into minus minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. Again minus 2 plus 2 cancel. Therefore 1 plus 1 is 2 is there. Therefore our condition is what? Your answer is not 0. Therefore this x plus 1 is not a factor of p of x. Therefore g of x is not a factor of p of x in first condition. Got it? Again same this like first example is over. You can do your homework second and third one also same as it is. Next in third one condition is what? Third one. Okay, before starting the third one, in this one, in your textbook, this is minus is there, and this is minus. You can take minus, this also minus, this also minus. Again same as it is. Therefore answer is 0. Therefore this is a factor. This is a factor. When you can take the minus. Now minus at but plus not a factor. But minus that is factor is there. Got it? This like is the next third main. In third main, in the polynomials, the g of x is given, that is x minus 1 is a factor. Check yourself once again. Find the value of k. In the first polynomial k is the second polynomial k also here. The all polynomials k value is given. You can find out the value of k. The main question is find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor. You can find out the k value in the p of x. Therefore, next one you can take solution is the you can choose any one. 4 examples are here. I can solution only 1 and 2. The remaining examples we can homework. First one solution is what? First one x minus 1 is equal to 0. Consider x is equal to plus 1 is there. X is equal to plus 1. You can put value in this one. Therefore, consider, therefore, x value is what? 1 is the p of 1 is equal to x square means what? X means what? 1 is the 1 square plus 1 is the plus k is the. Only you can take 1 and also p of, consider 0. This is 0. 1 plus 1 plus k. Therefore, 0 is equal to 2 plus k. Therefore, k value is what? Minus 2. Our k value is minus. Again, same as it is in the second one. Solution is what? Solution is again condition x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to plus 1. Consider p of x is equal to 2x square plus kx plus root 2 is there. You can take x values are p of 1 is equal to 2 into bracket of 1 raised to 2 plus k into 1 plus root 2 is there. Again you can consider 0 is equal to 2 raised to 1 raised to 2 means only 1 into 2 is 2 plus k plus root 2. Therefore k value is equal to, you can take 2 in this and minus 2. Root 2 in this and minus root 2. Therefore k value is minus of 2 plus root 2. This is your answer. Okay. A third one and a fourth one you can do in our homework. Next one is third main is over. Next, what about in our fourth main in our factorization method? Fourth main is factorization method is the only trinomial. Three terms are here. Trinomial is you can find out the factors of this one. Polynomial you can find out the value which is the, therefore solution. The given condition is what? 12x square minus 7x plus 1 is the. You can take the in the middle term. You can simplification only middle term is there. In this polynomial, how many terms are here? Only 3 terms are here. You can make 4 terms. There's this like is there. Therefore, you can take this one method is the. First term is 12. Last term is 1. 12 into 1 means only 12 into. When you can multiplication first and last term. Next, addition of middle term. Addition of middle term is what? That is minus 7. This is minus 7. Therefore, you can take some numbers. 4 minus 3. I can select the two numbers minus 4 and minus 3. Multiplication of these two numbers. Minus into minus is plus. 4 3 is 12 is there. In middle term is what? Minus 7 is there. Minus 4 minus 3 is again minus 7. Therefore, you can simplification 12x square. You can split into minus 7 into minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. No doubt at all. This equation also same as it is. This is also same. But you can change only minus 7x to minus 4x minus 3x. Therefore, you can convert it to 3 terms to 4 terms. Next, you can take a group, first group and second group. In the first group, which one is common? 4 is common. X is common. Take outside. Therefore, 4x is common. Take outside. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 3. Next 1x is there. Again minus 1 is there. Minus 1. Next in this side. In second group, only 1 is common. Take outside. That is minus 1 is common. Take outside. Therefore 3x minus 1. Again these two groups are here. In these two groups, which one is common? 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1 take outside. Therefore 3x minus 1 take outside. Next one is what? 4x minus 1. 4x minus 1. Therefore these two are factors of this polynomial. This polynomial have two factors. First factor is 3x minus 1. Second one is 4x minus 1. But value of this two factor, value means 3x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 3. And also, 4x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, x values are 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. These two are factors of this polynomial. We can do this like method of factorization. Again, similarly, second one, third one, fourth one, same as it is. You can do in your homework, remaining 3 examples. Next, what about in the fifth main example? Do we okay, the last one is fifth one also factorization is the factorizer. This is fifth main is but lengthy process is the lengthy process is what? In this polynomial, the degree is 3 is the totally 4 terms are here. 4 terms are here. You can find out the factors very easy in only 2x plus 1. 2 terms, or otherwise only single term, or otherwise quadratic polynomial, and also next one is these all are cubic polynomials are here. These all are cubic polynomials. You can find out the factors in only linear. Quadratic is very easy, but in your cubic polynomial you can find out the factorization method or factor method. That is lengthy process is the that lengthy process is also important is that this question is most important in your examination. That is 3 or 4 marks question, and also this is most important question for your in your career also, in your competitive examination also. Most important question, find out the factors. Maybe in cubic polynomials they have 3 factors. Only quadratic polynomial 2 factors. Only one. That is only one. That is what? Linear polynomial only one of factor is there. But if 3 factors are here, how we can do the factors of this cubic polynomial? This is very important. Is the very important. Can do yourself once again. Lengthy process is that. In your previous class you learned about division method also. Division method also same as this, no problem. You can find out the first one is very important is that. Okay. Method is I consider first one. First one is what? Therefore x raised to 3 minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is there. When you consider cubic polynomial, you can consider the constant term. The constant is what? Constant. R in word. Constant. Constant 2 is the. Constant 2 is the. What are the factors of 2? Factors of 2 means plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2 are factors of 2 is there. Okay, you can take put x is equal to 1 plus 1. Put x value in this one condition. When that is 0, therefore this condition is factors of the cubic polynomial. Consider first x value is 1 is there. You can put x value 1 raised to 3 minus 2 into x value is 1 square minus 1 plus 2 is the 1 as it is. Minus 2, minus 1, plus 2 is there. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel, plus 1 minus 2 cancel, 0 is there. Therefore, when this answer is 0, therefore x is equal to 1 is the one factor of this polynomial. Consider therefore x minus is equal to 1. When x minus x equal to 1, therefore x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. The first condition is over. This x minus 1 is the factor of this one. Next you can find out the division method. Division method is what? Division method. Therefore x minus 1 divided by in your polynomial. The cubic polynomial is what? X raised to 3 minus of 2x square plus minus x plus 2 is there. You can do what? Division method. First term is x raised to 3 is there. In this one only x is there. Which term with the multiplication into x, that is x cube, you can take x square. X into x square means x raised to 3. Next, minus 1 into into x square means again minus 1. 1 into x square means x square. Next, divide by, you can take sign change. Sign change is what? Minus plus. Again these two are cancelled. Next one is what? Therefore, sign change, that is plus is the, this is minus, the minus x raised to 2. You can take down that is minus x. Again, the first term is minus x square. You can take minus x. X into minus x means minus x square. Minus into minus means plus x is the plus x. Again, sign change. This is plus sign. This is minus sign. These two are cancelled. Minus and minus, minus x and minus is minus 2x. Again you can take downside, that is plus 2 is the. Again you can take x is the, in the minus 2x, you can take 2x, 2 only minus 2. X into minus 2 means minus 2x. Again minus into minus means plus is the. 1 into 2 means 2 is the. Therefore, this sign change, plus sign, this is minus sign. These two are cancelled, again cancel, remainder is 0 is the. Remainder is 0. This polynomial, first factor is what? First factor is x minus 1 is 1 factor is the. The second factor is, that is quadratic equation is the. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is the minus x minus 2 is the. Therefore, simplification, therefore in our quadratic polynomial. The multiplication is first term and minus term, therefore into minus 2. The answer is minus 1 is the. You can take 2 terms. 2 terms means what? 2 and minus 1 plus 1. You can take 2 terms minus 2 and plus 1. Therefore, minus into plus means minus. 2 ones are 2. Again minus 2 plus 1 is only minus 1. Therefore, you can take x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. Therefore, 4 terms are here. 4 terms. Next, therefore, simplification. X square means in these two first group, x is common, take outside, x minus 2. Again, in second group, only 1 is common, take outside, x minus 2. Again, these two group, x minus 2 is common, take outside, remaining is x plus 1 is there. Therefore, this quadratic polynomial have two factors. And last one is therefore, again, therefore, totally, this polynomial have 3 factors are here. First factor is what? X minus 2, x plus 1, and also x minus 1. Therefore, these all are factors of polynomial x raised to 3 minus 2x square minus x plus 2. This is your answer. Got it? You can do in your remaining second, third, fourth one example in your homework. Got it? This is your method. In a method, important example. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ 4 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇವು ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್. ಆಗ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಆಗ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ 0 ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ 0 ಬಂದಾಗ ಈ ನಾವು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ x - 1 ಇದು ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ದ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಈ ಬಂದಂತ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಿಂದ ನಾವು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಿದಾಗ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ which one is what? Quotient. This quotient is quadratic equation. Again you can take this quadratic quotient. The division again division method, sorry, factorization method in a middle term expression. Again these two factors are here. 2 factors, 1 factor. Therefore 3 factors are here. Every cubic polynomial have 3 factors are here. Therefore you can do in your homework. Remaining example as we continue next class.